Welcome back to the Ninja FlexFlame Getting Started series. I'm so excited to introduce you to the wide variety of Ninja FlexFlame upgrades so you can up your backyard cooking game. Complete your cooking system with the professional-grade full griddle or half griddle, 16-inch pizza stone and peel, grill basket, caddy, and so much more. Let's get into it. With the Ninja FlexFlame, you can achieve professional-grade griddling with the half and full griddle plates. That's right, hibachi night, breakfast for the whole family, or even sizzling smash burgers for the neighborhood. First things first, we need to prep the griddle. Although the griddle will come coated in a food-grade oil for protection, it is not effective at properly seasoning your griddle. You'll want to wash your griddle with warm, soapy water, then dry the griddle before beginning the seasoning process. The seasoning process will ensure you get the best performance out of your griddle. Start by removing the grill grates from inside the firebox and storing them in the cabinet below. Place the griddle plate inside the firebox so that the top and bottom lips rest on the front and back edges of the cooking system. The grease drain can be on the front or back, so you can push away grease that collects on the griddle plate. The half griddle can be placed on the right or left side. It is recommended to place it on the left side if you are right-handed or on the right side if you are left-handed. Now it's time to season your griddle. Rub in 1 to 2 tablespoons of canola oil onto the griddle plate. Spread the oil evenly to coat the surface of the griddle using tongs and a cloth or paper towel. Next, preheat the FlexFlame using the grill function and set the temperature to 500 degrees. Once the griddle has been preheated, it must be oiled again. Pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil directly on the griddle. Then use a set of tongs to grasp a paper towel to spread the oil evenly over the surface and side walls of the griddle. Close the hood and let the system remain hot for 5 to 10 minutes. Then allow the griddle to completely cool. Repeat this process one more time before first use and ensure you oil your griddle before each cook after that. Not only will your neighbors love your smash burgers, but they'll also be big fans of pizza night. The 16-inch Artisan Pizza Stone allows you to transform your Ninja FlexFlame into an artisan pizza maker. Ensure your grill grates are installed and place the 16-inch Artisan Pizza Stone in the center of the grates. The durable cordierite material is heat safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can achieve that crispy crust you desire. And because of Cyclonic Heat IQ, you will get even heat from the top down for perfectly melty cheese. So what do you say? Let's get started. Start by igniting the Ninja FlexFlame and turn the dial to the grill pizza function. Depending on the style of pizza you're making, you'll want to set the temperature between 450 and 600 degrees. Once the FlexFlame is indicated it is preheated, allow the stone to remain in the hot cavity for 10 to 15 additional minutes. In the meantime, prep your dough with your desired toppings and load it onto the FlexFlame pizza peel. This pizza peel is perforated to eliminate any excess flour from the bottom of the dough. Add your pizza onto the peel and launch it onto the preheated pizza stone. If your pizza is larger than 12 inches, you will need to turn it 180 degrees halfway through the cook cycle to ensure it is cooked evenly. You can expect your pizza to be cooked in as little as 5 minutes. Super fast, right? Just look at these results. Nice crispy crust and bubbly cheese. Yum! Some configurations include a 12-inch pizza stone. If your Ninja FlexFlame has this bonus accessory, you can make 12-inch no-turn pizzas in just 5 minutes with the same crispy crust and gooey cheese. It doesn't get much better than that. Build out your Ninja FlexFlame even further with a grill basket and storage caddy. The grill basket keeps veggies and delicate proteins contained so they don't slip through the grill grates. Plus, its perforated design allows for optimal airflow around food. As you can see, it's also very spacious. You can fit up to 3 pounds of asparagus, 6 pounds of Brussels sprouts, or 5 pounds of broccoli florets. Next, with the storage caddy, you can add up to 50 square inches of storage space to your Ninja FlexFlame. Fill it up with your favorite spices, sauces, utensils, and other cooking essentials so they are in hand's reach without taking up any space on the side table. The modular design conveniently attaches to the side hooks. Also included in the Ninja FlexFlame upgrade lineup are more traditional essentials, such as the premium grill cover, grease tray liners, and more. You can find and purchase all accessories on ninjakitchen.com.